Let me show you how to extract sounds from other people's video and import them into your own video clip using CapCut. Near me. Let's get to CapCut. So right here, I am currently on my CapCut editing screen. This video on my screen right now has no sound yet, so let me play for you to see. So we are going to be adding sounds from another video clip into this particular video here, all right? To extract sounds from other video clips on your phone while editing your video in CapCut, go ahead and click on this audio here from your editing screen. Click on audio. Then there are actually two methods you can use to extract audio files from video here. Let me show you. Step one, when you click on audio, go ahead and click on sounds here. All right, click on sounds. Then go ahead and click on this envelope here, this folder here, click on it. Then as you can see here, these are the list of other audio I have extracted from videos in the past. All right, so go ahead and click on this extract audio from video, click on it. Then go ahead and select a video to extract audio from. If I should extract audio from this particular video, let me show you. Now, to extract audio from this particular video, this is what I'm going to do. Go ahead and select the video, then click on extract and add audio. All right, click on it. Then the audio file in that particular video has been brought into my CapCut. This is it here. Let me play. So go ahead and click on this plus button to add it to your editing screen. So this is that sound here. It has come here. Okay, right here. Have you seen it? So the sound has been added to my video. So go ahead and select the particular side of the sound effect you want. Then split and delete the excess parts that you do not want. And then position the part that you have selected so far to the position of the video where you want it to be. All right. That's how to do it. Then to delete the sound, go back to sounds again. Then tap and hold the audio file, then click on delete, so you delete it out. That's how to remove the extracted sound file from your CapCut. Then let's go back. Step 2 on how to extract audio file from another video clip into your CapCut editing screen. This is it. Go ahead and click on audio from your editing screen. Click on audio. Then after clicking on audio, go ahead and swipe to the left, then click on extract. All right, so click on extract. Then it will take you straight to your phone gallery where you are going to pick the particular video you want to extract the audio file from. So let me go ahead and extract from this particular one here. So let me select it, then click on extract and add audio. Now it will take you straight to your editing screen. The first method will take the audio into your extracted file folder. Here you will now have to go and click on it to import it into your editing screen. But this particular second method will now bring that particular audio straight to your video editing screen. So let's go ahead and play.
Very wicked man.
So this is it. Then you still have to split and delete any part of the audio wave you do not want to use on your video. All right, but if you still want any other part of this particular audio, you can still play to listen to it. So let me still split and select this particular flute part. So split, select the part you want, then drag it and position your audio. So that's how to extract the sounds from other people's video that you have saved on your phone into your editing screen to add them to your own video.